Hello, my name is John Dee. Thanks for watching this video presentation from Dee Enterprise Excellence. If you're interested in cutting waste from your enterprise, then check out our website dee.uk.net. There you can find out more information about us, or just use our ever-growing free resource area with links to other videos and content relating to all things Lean, Six Sigma and Kaizen. Hello everybody, and thanks for watching the latest video. As always, we've got a scenario to think about. Thinking about organising our drills that we have to do our jobs in our shed. And as normal, we've got a big collection of drills, usually thrown around in a jar or in a drawer, not very organised at all. We can use our traditional approaches, 5C, 5S, whichever one you prefer, but workplace organisation. Clear the drawer out, only have the things we really want, put them in good places, clean, check them, make sure they're sharp, and try to get everybody to stick to the approach. We've included a sizer to get the drills in the right compartments. But the real problem is, how are we going to make sure that this sticks? As with our previous video, we're discussing the use of Kaikaku, radical change and using equipment. How about using something that's going to force the change to happen? Here we have a drill box which has been configured. It has a hole in the front for various sizes of drills, in effect giving it a range. It's able to actually discriminate between different sizes of drills. And behind each hole is a pocket which the drills can drop into, effectively meaning that you put the drill through the hole. As long as you start at the smallest end and work forward, then they'll always drop into the appropriate compartment. The idea being you only return the drills to the box once they're sharpened, and this will in turn ensure that you have a box that is full of sharp drills, all the drills are correctly configured, and nobody's going to be worried about check sheets, nobody's going to be worried about audits. It's easiest to stick to the approach, it's quicker, it's easier, it's better, and that's because the equipment's changed. It's very hard to go back to an old way of thinking. Another approach on the same angle, most of us have got a huge selection of chuck keys knocking around somewhere. Putting them back in the right home often doesn't happen. This doesn't answer all the problems, but essentially having a key ring's worth of chuck keys, they're all in the same place. Here they're attached to some heavy electrical wire, the ends of which have been soldered together to leave a loose loop, meaning that the chuck keys can be used whilst they're still attached by the length of wire to a common disc. Hard to lose, always know where they are, and people will tend to return it. And we're going to go for a totally different scenario now. Here we have the local chimney sweep, and he's been configured, and the reason that he's using this approach, he's got all of his staffs in this golf bag with compartments. He's often working not kneeling down on the ground. It's hard to pick them off the floor, especially with this scenario you can see in the picture. And with this approach, he's got everything where he needs it. He's very likely to stick them back where they belong because they're easy to reach. So, in summary, don't rely on discipline, check sheets and audits. Try instead a little bit of equipment Kaikaku. If you change the equipment, then you change people's behaviour. And if it's easier,